Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset Uconnect RAM 1500 step by step. Turn the ignition to accessory, press and hold the volume and tuner knobs together until the screen reboots, then release. Wait for the Uconnect system to fully restart and prompt for setup. If needed, reconnect your phone and re-enter Bluetooth pairing codes. I'll guide you through checking settings and fixing common issues after the reboot. Start by tapping Settings on the Uconnect home screen, then choose System or Restore Factory Settings. Confirm the reset and allow the unit several minutes to clear stored data and reboot. Once the display returns, follow on-screen prompts to set language, time, and other preferences. After restoring, pair your phone again and test audio and navigation to ensure everything works properly and you didn't miss a step. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, and it changed how I prioritize repairs and savings, so I thought I'd share that. It's a compact read that helps you budget for things like dealer updates or unexpected repairs. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. When resets don't stick, try a soft reset by turning power off for several minutes or disconnecting the negative battery terminal briefly. If problems persist, check for software updates that address bugs, which can be installed by a dealer or via USB if your model supports it. Keep a note of any error codes or unusual behavior to share with service staff so they can diagnose persistent faults faster and more accurately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.